मुल्की सुफरा के एजाज में इफ्तार डिनर की तकरीब से वजीर आजम शहबाज शरीफ खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, our constitution guarantees equal human rights to all Pakistani citizens without any distinction. To translate this constitutionally guaranteed rights into reality, we have over the years undertaken various policy, legal and affirmative measures. As a result, every community in Pakistan has complete freedom to profess and practice its faith and go to their preferred places of worship. This aspect of Pakistani society needs to be highlighted. And as a peace-loving nation, Pakistan desires friendly relations with all members of the international community and enmity with none. My government will vigorously pursue this enlightened vision of our founding fathers. While we welcome UN Security Council's recent resolution, I would like to reiterate Pakistan's firm support for the people of Palestine in their just struggle for their inseparable right to self-determination. And we all hope and should make our sincere effort that this UN Security Council resolution is implemented in letter and spirit immediately, and brutalities against the Palestinians must end henceforth. Similarly, on behalf of the people of Pakistan, I reaffirm our unwavering solidarity with the people of the Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Excellencies, it was only a few weeks back that my government took over following the peaceful general elections in the country. Economic revival, governance reforms and uplift of the people of Pakistan are at the heart of my government's agenda. We have firmly set our eyes on achieving accelerated development. We are determined to mobilize our full national potential to turn our economic trajectory around. To transform challenges into opportunities, we will actively seek to enhance trade, forge economic partnerships and attract foreign investments. These shall be the pillars of our bilateral cooperation and engagement with other countries. However, there will be no compromise on our core national interests, on the safety and security of the people of Pakistan, on our sovereignty and our territorial integrity. To sum up, as a responsible member of the international community with a proud legacy of proactive and robust diplomacy, Pakistan would continue to contribute to regional and global efforts for peace and prosperity and sustained development for all. Distinguished colleagues, united in the spirit of Ramadan Sharif, let us endeavor to promote the shared values of this holy month by words and by deeds. Let us work together to forge a peaceful, inclusive and equitable
इस्लामाबाद में गैर मुल्की
world
सफरा के एजाज में इफ्तार डिनर से वजीर आजम शहबाज शरीफ तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे थे।